Find or read reviews that people are talking about in 200 inches Halloween spider web decorations with 59 inches giant spider. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Realistic spooky design. The 59 inches spider has fuzzy texture and red menacing eyes. The 200 inches Halloween spider web decorations looks tangled and weathered. As standout Halloween decorations outdoor and indoor, their lifelike details boost the spooky vibe wherever placed. Secure outdoor setup. Strong hooks and anchors keep the Halloween spider web decorations in place. The spider's base adds stability. These Halloween decorations outdoor stay put in breezy conditions, maintaining the scary scene all season. Works with other decor, blends well with other Halloween decorations. Drape the Halloween spider web decorations over bushes, doorways, and position the spider for a coordinated look, enhancing existing Halloween party decorations setups. Safe and soft material. Soft materials make these Halloween decorations outdoor safe for people. As part of Halloween party decorations, they add just enough spook for trick-or-treaters, fitting family-friendly events. Durable and reusable. Weather-resistant materials let the Halloween spider web decorations and spider withstand rain, sun, wind. Fold compactly for storage, lasting year after year. Great for reusable Halloween decorations outdoor and haunted house decor. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.